Do you have a 3D pen that you have no idea what to do with or what it's capable of? Well, don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are here to show you 13 super cool DIY 3D pen ideas. Number 13, cat food spoon. Start off by drawing on an egg, but don't do all of it, just on one side. When you're finished, place the egg somewhere and make the bottom of the spoon. You can use different colors to add decorations once you're done all of the spoon and the holder. We made it a little bare, as you can see. Now you can use this to feed your animals. Number 12, damaged car. This one is pretty crazy. If you didn't know what your 3D pen was capable of, you'll see now. Fill in the cracks of the car that is broken, and painting over it won't hurt. This isn't the best solution, but it does work, and that is the good thing. Number 11, candle cover. Start off by drawing all over an orange, just not the bottom because you'll need that to use for covering the candle. When you're all finished, pop the orange out and you can use this to cover your candles and have a little bit more decoration. Make sure to only use an electric or battery-powered candle so that it doesn't burn the cover. Number 10, fill cracks on the wall. For this one, start filling in the cracks in the wall as already planned. Now, you can make it come to life by drawing a leaf and other insane designs you want. It's your house, so think outside of the box and look to fix your wall with this 3D pen, with a little twist. Number 9, marker lid. This one is so easy. Draw all over the top of a marker, and when you're finished doing that, you can make it in any letter you want. We chose to do an A. It looks pretty crazy. Number 8, sandals. For this one, you're going to need a shoe insole and a foil ball. First, put the foil ball where your heel would go and start drawing circles or any design you'd like over top of it. This will be the back of the shoe. Do this on the front as well as the entire perimeter of the insole so that it'll look something like this. And now you have your very own sandal out of a 3D pen. Number 7, Among Us character on a phone case. For this one, start off by drawing, well, an Among Us character. Do it in whatever color's your favorite. Now, on top of the character, draw the word imposter and you're finished. Number 6, zipper broken. If a zipper is broken, you can easily fix that with a 3D pen by simply filling in a hole. Make sure it's a flat surface so that you can get back to reusing it. Number 5, make a bird cage. For this one, grab a huge bucket of water and fill it with a 3D pen. You can get these water bottles in different shapes, but we chose to use this one for the curves and edges. Then, once you're finished, you can use it as a cage for birds or whatever interests you. Number 4, light shade. For this one, start using a bowl and put the 3D pen all over it. Make sure it's in a pattern, and when you finish, you can place it over a light bulb and have an amazing light shade. Number 3, fix a comb. This one is the easiest of them all. You can fill in the spots of the comb that are broken off with your 3D pen. Once you finish, trim it if you made a piece too long, and now it's good as new. Number 2, get creative with a hole in your shirt. For this one, think outside the box. Fill in the hole and cover it up with an animal. We decided on a fox, but you can do anything that you want. Number 1, stick figure phone holder. For this one, you're going to make a stick figure come to life by filling it in with a 3D pen. Once you do that, make sure it's not flat, but fill it completely. You can draw a surfboard for it or anything, and now you can also lean your phone on it as well. Anyways, guys, that's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!